This was I mean, I was a big on Adom TV, multi TV. So, Eddie Jumedi bro, Diamond Chira, so they come kama ewa and say, yeah, twice one. They said, "Do time, oh my God, so I'm on your same and your mother come you be atusi and so to me to one among ye ewa and say, Shannon. So, but let me start with this one sad one. Nana Yajiman passes on. Nana Yajiman, wife of veteran Ghanaian journalist and former Ghana High Commissioner to Namibia, Alhaji Abdul Rahman Haruna Atta, died yesterday in Accra. The deceased reportedly died at the University of Ghana Medical Center after a short illness. Nanaya, a younger sister of the former First Lady, Nana Kunedu Ajiman Rawlings, was 62. She left behind two daughters, Rama and Aisha Haruna Atta, and a husband. She worked with the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation and later served as an editor at the defunct Accra Daily Mail newspaper owned by Haruna Atta, who also served as Ghana's High Commissioner to Namibia in the John Mahama administration. Nti Ira Haruna Atta, our condolence to you and the family. And the former First Lady, so our condolence. Unya Prekope Anna Eda for me. On the brighter side of life, some dedications, birthday dedications. Yebeye Eddie Amau, and this one from Efia Mankwata Maklo. Happy 50th birthday to Mrs. Dinah Ingemba Kunjan. Our fellowship war Ringway Gospel Center, Assemblies of God, Asafuno. And happy birthday, Mrs. Dinah Ingemba Kunjan. I hope I got it right. 50 years today. When I'm sure now, when it's ready, be an intimate the head pastor, Global Arena of Liberty, Msuachiao, Anope, Kosuna Dome with Onyamia Assembly in the Homo Bro. Na Kosubo Mpayema or my Ghana. Let me be Uncle Kamakama. Well, Miracle, you need no introduction, Abba. Miracle, we run a fee. The amount for can to make me congratulations.
But that's it. I have for this year, I have for ambassador extraordinary.
Yeah. Also, I'm a minister perform
100%.
Out of the 60 minutes, one wash us here. 100%.
Nana maybe say be a one room. Then I was do a room. So they just a book as our my
out of the 60 minutes, you're quite a tea and chair.
And the walk half work, I really go put him on. I just say, what the now say about radio? How about half? No, but I was very, very impressed.
I don't know from the crowd, but then the cocoa. I'm saying, what was coming up? Meaning the business I make.
No, he's made
me proud.
He's absolutely right. And I think, say, I'm far and draw the presentation. As of mine, we say, Macau has I see the structure of our economy.
Yeah.
Bet me, you will have a breed here. But Bayer or my Bayer 40% be the attention artificial.
40%.
Be artificial. I say,
creating,
taking advantage. And within the entire system, we be a politicians come. A software count,
journalists,
journalists count, doctor for count, nurse.
It will be a count. Taxi driver no show. Mason, carpenter, plumber.
So on my way, your situation ni pebi to be ma ade bi ho yedin. Na ne boa be yedin.
O create artificial shortage.
O say them say
yes,
even o call ye ma me no ye papa no villages farming communities na. O mutumi ka say ebro no.
E ho akwatwe.
Me de atwen aboarding ebre no. I think I've heard that thing before. It almost
just making sure say ebro no peja ni mu pe na e pie.
What do you say that's what? Ebro ni ye twa ebro na on ton no peak season no. No dey na our hatta. No, they are sheko to go, no, they are caught to warehouse. Now you see, imagine, say, me Matthew, ebi am in pa 5, unso ni 5. Across the country, Kakabuma, we're not 2 million tons.
I share the same thing. No, na me say, kakana enyufa, kakana SFA, kakana say etimia boa ni nyina no a.
But that's the reality. That's the reality.
If you don't say they need be simuso.
Yeah, I said the be asasem dem ka.
The be a concentration say, o man denti entimin konkan. E dey be say na me say MPP no say the Ghana for no and NDC say Ghana for yen ya carbon we say MPP ni NDC it is a omani nko ya entimi nye 4 letter word no NPP a 3-letter word and this
my this the whole structure you know yes you can yeah politicians so yes you can no doubt about that but the entire structure to say they are making aduane pa de Ghana ha kese se ne boy den because obi obeka say aduane ni on my way no now until your man say e deliberate ebi mo atwa emo no we twa wi o ba or store obi mo banche no wetu awie no o se me de me nton me banche wo dwa so it will be converted to Gary by force. Ebi muso hata banche se na be obe kotoma China kokonte. No all manner of things. Obi etwe buro be $100. O my me no ka say o say on ton or train e buro ho ye den a. And I woni muso say we have a friend saying aboarding season. As a Ghana ye nim so nim say o nim ye wo
seasonal
season so
if the tomatoes abapa o enche bia tomatoes be ye season. Omunim sane mani nyina ebro no de efi samre ko no bi say ebro ho be yeden ehon ye de na we release ni de but we forget say ehon ye den because ye nyina ya store obi ya de ne de akwakosi so into artificial high because utie de regional minister kan ya I think 2 weeks ago when I came here I said it say wo ko adoso mikro mo adoso he ya omo ma de nyina kofa nioma no if you mango say Tandankro, you know, villages where Pakro, Consa, Wom side, Hono, a Hono farm gates and a Honeshe. Now, on mine, what caught Pakro, Akotobro, dear, we have my friend saying. A pim and a drone, what caught on ABA 5 Ghana Cedi. But the fee just about 35 to 40 minutes drive, not the Bamadina. No, what tono, 60 Ghana, 70 Ghana. Now, the MA. Uko do market ne so a na say de ne boy do car bo me wa brode na auto ne say ba ko pe na akoto ba yo auto e bia be ye eduro no mako be 50-100 na de gu car ba ko na de ba ene wetu ya car bo ba no was spread e kan nyina egu ade ne so he fuel prices o ma ya tu fuel mu 1 peso e be bo ya tu mu 3 a e be bo 4 u be do filling station no matum 1 peso About 4 no, obedo filling station no watum. Me wa de good tank ni mo e chef no kra 1 ton sa price no. But my prices in mrafem by 3 pesos. Almost we antiso ahin bia. Monteso almost 3 pesos. Monteso almost 6 pesos. Me wa me antiso 2 pesos. No matum. Enti we have a major structure integrity, an issue of honesty, an issue of sincerity and our baba chichiri nyina. And then you know what we do is that here near peer to politicians. So worst case scenario for the politician is say obeto abeti anu meboa. Ba oto abeti anu kwa for no so ba na say yan structural challenge we are. Ono so within 4 years obema the same frustration. No so apoto abeti anu. And then we your mind feel am yan ade meba. We me feel akofi ade meba. We kofi feel am ade meba. We need to deal with the endemic situation. Chandra in sema wo minister kai. Say ofa pan here the ton by the year. We should pay no emma by yere ma 200 Ghana cedis. Me wan cry ha. Omo krekra by yere no wo say mo traffic mo no mo ton 50.
Enti pay na ya ton na half 200 Ghana cedis. Ni pan the bank cry ya. Onya mfa so 2000 Ghana cedis. Go be in 1111 no ton
25
with only one excuse.
25.
Only one excuse say ne boy dey. Ahia o dey compare profit a wunya na ahia. And ye creative inflation no. Because inflation, I am confused are buying a creative inflation. Inflation, no, a year. Say, yet, me no war my ye are doing say, your camera, your tone, a quite way, sweet. What's over better their tangana? Mr. Meton the tangana, in a to say a better tangana, inflation and idea man. Because Nippon or better camera tono, or Babedua, or Baha as a 10, or Bamo as a 10, or Bawa as a 10, it's controlled. Into a China, you sign Bunny as a beton 50 Ghana, Sape Pepe. And remember, I have said this year before. It's something happening within the oil marketing companies, or more filling stations. No? It's a cabal. It is something that is happening there. Because on my own to me in country, let me say, you to petrol so 7 pesos last month into to petrol so. And they about this month, and they had to so into the exchange rate can assess into when to me in 0.001% reduction is one.
Exactly. The hard. I'm sure most of these things you can't want to say Ghana for a very, very important. Say bit me Badwam, sa and the good Ghana that we are all looking out to.
Dollar masira fache me dollar ya ka ho asemi nkofo take advantage of speculation no enti forest bureaus no or the boy o hwe na bo be 2 3 abekọ no asesa no enti foforo no so te say me next door forest bureau to me turn ne de esi de a ene me so metumi aton me de esi no so asesa ne de omo wo ha no mo maje so yesesa nko nan no akosesa ukọ efe ne say forest bureau always kind of power say ebi ni ho ukọ ha say ebi ni ho ukọ ya say ebi ni ho enwo so hie skada kwaye wade enti o say me wo bi obeton 9 de am de be ma no aton 9 then the next person will now sell it at 9 a friend is saying scan ba dollar the bar na omo ye forest bureau gaw for any ade omo ne banks na connive na banks na ton dollars ni nyina am omo nko these are realities so enti nipa kakra bi no omo no makoto dollar ni nyina na fe omo ma betra enti dollar na fe abet say eduane wo pe bi ato age say wo kosa saafo no na fe omo no be che price a wo de beton ni nyina no ye wo institutional challenges so because Omaya de yake na say Bank of Ghana was sudi Omaya South Africa here obetumi akwa say sky by heart
David you
na say ya me ko hokoye ma de ohi before obesisa dollar no Omaya 90 obed 90 na bebia Ghana hopa pie kokko me obenya bebia sesa wo the traffic lights yes you see this per dollar obi besese bia ma but so many other regimes you know you cannot just walk around and just change money.
I think we've lived a very loose life as a country.
Yes.
And the correcting it in there, the challenge.
We see airport, foreign and you see airport, the who first in a dollar, a friend is saying cities. You create no bottom for dollar brand abeje. Who to kwaya, when you do airport, sika ukra won sem na dollar. For city brand abeje. But elsewhere, menewo. Ya kwara say person even sika no krampo no nim yes some wa say obedi o say uni oni asesa ni nyina ma na wo be free o man ni ma China answer na be pie fi China no so okro mu sika just how the receipt bi na wo do ko sesa sika no esan ko bank ho na wa kire o mu say ampa wo fi o man ni mu aso mo sesa o sika ma o ma sesa o sika no back into dollars amount. Yes when you want to change money you have to go with your passport. That shows say wo krampo no kra no o man na wa be mu no kra we illegal. We are yasasa money amount receipt and no yasasa scan na amount na bia went to me ndi e bia $1,000 into Chinese yuan or RMB went to me ndi RMB na wi ba oba Ghana on fan yehwe yo on to me sesa na sakeke de bia wo kwasesa scan free no e hwa na sesa wo san so ko na wo de wo passport na wo receipt bi na ye de ma won e kwanse yasasa na back into dollars amount ye de enti nipa kakra bi no ma to o ko bank na o ma scan nyina dollars ni na nti wo pe bi ato awunya this wo monko na obekọ mo akokoto na mo na mo determine kire ahia esese ye ton ma o mo atumi tira ho na mo asesa na we ton 9 dia me so ton 9 nti within 30 minutes no na mo nyina yo madwen so meton no o meton 9 ade na ye ho sa wo de opa support na kwahwe say exchange rate be no mo yusu e way lesser than what we are changing on the market. So what you say,
how do we rectify this?
Institutional challenges come home. And I answer your integrity and the profiteering and so count. It's such challenges into a major. It's a Bank of Ghana didn't she be bar a ma sikano dollar ni kurano. Oh, dollar ni nyano. Adding. So I say, people should be discouraged to hold dollar. And then Oko hotels they are still quoting in dollars. Ura hotel what $50. It's the answer about you and can even do a budget cities no. And maybe an okoshe dollar rate answer or there's some identity. Aden na hotel be into me trust me 50 Ghana, me 100 Ghana, me 200 Ghana. Into me quite me to why are hotels still quoting in dollars? I can't understand. Because of my so long as they are quoting in dollars, even though you are paying in cedis, udru hwa or the exchange rate in the best amount. Enti aden na yen ma hotel no, o de ube quote to 2,000 Ghana fato ho. Na nim say e cedis.
2,000 cedis.
Yes, se ne be ya dollar no prestige no. Ni nyina affected the value of the product.
Because 2,000 hotel now just dollar $320.
And matter be a dollar ni prestige, you know. Yes, in Tinkrofo dollar as a product. I say gold. The amount gold, you gold. Now the gold any the kawane way. But the amount gold, you gold now a prestige na e ka hono.
To as you say, fight is a prestige.
We need to beat it down. But we have people quoting, even universities in Ghana quoting dollars. Okay, we are not enforcing it. Yeah. Institutional challenges, we are not enforcing it. At the school, maybe say me masters it's $3,000.
$10,000.
A man in a product, no prestige, no value, no a cost. So I just say.
So some of the immediate measures which they go apart from suffer from integrity issues.
Yes, and apart from the of course economic issues no because when you say dollar against all the major currencies, I appreciate it. Euro crampo has suffered against the dollar at about 12%.
I was checking.
Yes. Euro pounds winner struggle against dollar. It's quite understandable because when you say the global economy is largely transacted using the American US dollars. In Tobamu so monka krebia na affect you bia, and I hear they've done some adjustments at their treasury. It's affected almost every currency. And I hear they suffer more because here they said UK for the dollar do more. And American wants me. They are the importing in $1. Yes, you say you know my use who my way newspaper papers you create before brutality. Russia and Ukraine in a crap papers here. If we want to the dollar did more. And here they suffer more. Then in addition to it, you be do a mine more locally no. Now you the dollar air transaction business hotels near there equity figures in dollars. Hotels who equity figures in dollars. Did not affect inflation here come as no. Did not affect inflation no. Because nipa no endra all quarter phone ya bagana no. Na dollar near 7 cedis. No the quarter ye. Ono quarter the phone at 7 cedis. Obeton we no. Oba beton no. Dollar na say shoot because here transact here man dollar no e shoot fi 7 to 8. On ton is abo ne ma because okwakoto bi mo here more dollars. Even not Toma or Waboka, but aside that, or Kotobima, just was $6 more. Entertain beer near Sikanway, at least locally, dear. Locally, nobody should be allowed. Yeah, Adem, you see, real estate. If you beer in dollars,
they continue in dollars.
Oh, they are there $250,000 cry. They catch say 1 million cedis.
Ghana Cedi.
Yeah, they catch
Cedi will start becoming.
Yeah, and also value no be we catch him say, but be beer dollar cars. Oko turn out ton money and the omu nyina equity dollars.
Nti enye dey say.
Yabembu but I think say the institutions who are responsible for some of these controls, as I say, we are up and doing.
Okay, so
Ghana Tourism Authority. Yeah. Mo they directly. Mo say making sure say hotels and
they'll just cut it off.
Yes, we need see this. Tro, Cork and Pisky, Montreal see this. That's all. And yet, 5,000 Ghana cedis crowd. Or they throw 5,000 Ghana cedis. It is better than writing $500.
Okay, so from daily graphic and more interest to side, now I don't know how we are solving it now. ECG facilities in Kroboland damaged. Transformers, cables, poles tampered with. Problem where any problem within the reach of ECG need the energy ministry so and the national security. What do we do again? Because day in day out, and no matter say what Kroboland through the people more Kroboland na aso deni and tiasebia baby free buy. How do we solve this problem?
Me da se nansa na me krum chidom hene ekrapim chidom hene manfe hene na manfe hene nana ansa sasreku me man the happy 25th anniversary me free am call street ye anniversary e wo big one
nana ansa
sasreku fine traditional authority. I'm telling you say me kodi MC ahemfo nyina ye me nafofo omunye me nafofo ba metumi aka say nana ansa sasreku dey not say liaison odoman no he's very passionate about it. He's critical about the development of the people or your contemporary, even though he comes down to our level, engages us. A number of times, in a year, community inspections, project inspection, you have no idea. On one best in a track suit on upper. No one for us a best in Yanko. Moko hair got test, Moko hair bola, Moko hair in school, or near basic school, hair classrooms and Colanito. How is the situation there? Oh, chief, we the monsters are light in the moment. When you're fan the moment. Menya kakra mo so mo fa kakra me kan ne ye got test in the moment. I am yet to see any chief who beat Nana Asaseseku. 25 years on the throne. Your bompa is in Yankopon man in Yinche. Na only bin kan. Na 100 years on the Yindi. Because Nyan Sapapa said there, as I say, oko ntemsa. Kroboland.
Yeah.
ECG. Straight away. I don't need anybody to tell me. Say the people of Krobo needs to understand. Say, we are subject to the same laws and principles. They have to understand. Say, it's as simple as that. We cannot pay for their electricity consumption. Or me no. for
obidia
use. I didn't mean me trying to pay me light bill was soon to out there. And initially they raised concerns. And Mate first concern was almost say Mbra Kwame Nkrumah kwakoye VI no. Kwame Nkrumah catch them say omo no do masa say ye dam nti no omo ntu electricity. Say Kwame Nkrumah kan sa akra ye 2022. So I just imagine say if you force almost some cocoa no.
Yeah. That has been my argument.
Obuase force almost some gold no.
Half force gold.
Half force say some gold.
Yeah, two wall of
Western region force some oil no. And nka kwan na da krobo ebe de nya. Kwan na da krobo ho no ebe de nya. It will be almost impossible. We cannot even encourage this. Obi aka say me na me di we buy nti enso ye we a ebe de nka mukran kan me de fi akwa hafo. Say ke enso ebe block.
Exactly.
Obi aka say me want to be farming kwan so far. I mean we need to be reasonable with these things. Secondly, ECG for raising concerns about overbilling. Overbilling. Ema ECG for G2 musampa. Sa bills no ye overbilling mo. So I just say enti yen to me engine musaska no. And I think there was even some discussions around that. Ema ECG G2 mus okay, mo me emfa sa aka no. Ento nchen. Na yen si wo yen den. Emfa ho. Eche no ye be de ye be ka ho asem. Na mum sisi ya no de ye be ma mo kanea no. Na ye be bo prepaid meters amamo. Say na be ya yenya underbilling any overbilling issues via. I think the matter ends there. Ntimu de nka mama ECG mbo prepaid ni wie. No mama mo kanea so na fe sa e kana e da ho na ECG se original mo so muntu ya no. Na nka makwa ye den. Makoka ho asem. But this position of yakoshe transformer, yakotwa high tension poles. ECG mpenifo e ba ye threaten omo yakọ ECG office ye de ebu akọ pipe ECG windows na den there. We cannot sit on TV or radio and justify it. We can call out ECG to do what is right. But it doesn't mean that we should encourage impunity. There are systems and processes meboa. ECG to way to me dum kane na enye me nyina say. Ye omra wo say omra wo my we mu a ECG ma woni ma say obetibi akọ e di echira na nsa. Me to me so anopa nka say me ECG crem say nungwa ECG lashi bi ho no. E wona ECG office obi amete no. Me to me sorry say me 90 face painters wa ko ho no say me dey bo ko pipe omo dying because omo dum kane ma me no wan say. And so what the people of Kobo are doing, all of us as citizens, we should call them out. See, and call them out and they will continue to do it. Once Ghana normally, when people are protesting and they're demonstrating and doing all those things, now they get the support of the people now. They think they can continue to do it. You have concerns, raise it. You have challenges, raise it. But you have no business destroying the ECG properties. Okay. You have no business tampering with assets of the ECG. Yeah. You have no business saying, say, they should give you light, but you won't pay. Who should pay for you?
All right, so... But that's it. Mami acknowledges the Honorable Ahenkwa Yao Frederick. Ahenkwa Yao Frederick. This is the first time Oba shown us, but yeah. Why late?
Me.
That's unfortunate.
Maybe I'm free, I'm bad now.
Well, Honorable Mpensenpensemu, that continues to be the slogan of all of us as a country. But so udu approach that baby out free ban unti find excuse. The reason why he didn't represent Ghana or meeting at Oko. So baby out free ban is not an excuse. You are late. You are late. We hope that you will not repeat that again. That's it. It happened when I was in New York. I was going for a meeting at 11. I sat in my comfort, thinking that I'm in Ghana. If I'm in the community, when I got there, I'm even checking the meal. The meeting is over. I'm shocked.
We say 11 years, mommy. 11:30.
You know, so Oram, forgive me, but
am I
late? It's very normal.
Miss Imuntem.
No, you are late. Those explanations.
No, but I know him. He's unlike him.
You don't get my point. You should say.
Matiwase. Yes, structures. No, so nenye.
Unfortunately for us, who come on to be developing structures now? Until who to be my business. Who come on to be developing structures?
Yeah, formulating.
And because who crowd there one more. So if you formulate, no, you say you should yeah. And now I said not say.
And I also power to call those who are supposed to implement and reprimand them.
It was that
and Kabe break a crab, ye fa home kakra, or your match. I before I call recess. Namijina court. Me driver ya
for you found because of you almost mama say
I don't cry na programs there na me ko. Me pache wa anye ye.
No my sister say you fa ho no. politician address you be obi che odi so on bese camera don't che odi
I need to mrantie miensa bi
yeah
oh me say
uka woni masem nyina
oh ye di me ko na ya saji me ka si won say me nantin kofie
o de o mtie kra o
serious asempa na me ka kire o
to man so mo che wa na o de kire
it took the intervention of the deputy IGP
Yonu.
Me papa Yonu. Me ofa no nimpompa. Sanaja odi nano shem kakra. Ye ma medical na kofie.
Hey.
Adi che na ye di meji na court wo Achimota ho baby. Your court bi wo Achimota ho.
Sanity ne dey.
Mantu akura 2 penalty units. Ye give me close to 1,800 and something. Ente me ba na me di me pass
problem ya
o
calculate time loss no so with court no cry there ah
me ba
we dey member of parliament you be too much
oba be see ya do mu chi kra say obe ye bo no be stop we that honorable wo they say so what the pray baby we chow
obo tun rabi o mu dinam brand here me sabi ani obi anim say IGP mranti eni omo cameras this is your omo oh maza omo power
but it's good for us.
Oh, it's good.
It's good, but now kind of.
And you ever be dimwa?
Yeah, planning. No, I'm planning.
I got that belly.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm planning the payment teacher for so it's unfortunate. Anyway, Akwaba, first time on the show. So proud of you. German nurse. Who's a brown half? It's anything brown half.
I don't know. I pass a big car by a car. I said I could be just time in our house. We are brown for the family.
Oh, Akwaba. So what you saying?
Oh, how about
I see. Impuntu bibia na mekwanso.
Impuntu dey.
What quite problem?
Yeah, challenge is with our roads.
Only akwata kasa.
Especially now before I went on recess, I'm say 2 days before recess, I had the opportunity to ask him on Yakwan. Yes, some town roads.
Yes.
I'm say wow.
Yes.
From 2004, you gain district status no. Na uko Mpensenpensemu ona kuhu. Mfutura manfo many pa o jama inofa. It's very bad. Te me bisai. Na ye na say ye the contract nima contractor ni terminate ni diama. Ensi asad na no kra na me bisana na me nim contractor poti a ekwan no ewo ne ho ansa na me bisai a oyi ano but eno kra no a week later no na be reveal say omasa agi kwan no Adom
say Adom dey ya wa
nti ono wa mobilize there our site says ya
but say otimi bo na etimi bo Adonja na bo minister nso ja na contractor ni gina so
ja ne de minister na say e bo no
ye money ja
because me ne contractor na kasa says ya o call site kra no ono an kasa na ode wa mobilize
112
nti say menene kasa no yes e ba bia obepima kodura na ho odin ebedu
no atwe ne ho
obetwe ne ho nti many minister anka
any minister of course our quarter say utie dia anything brown half you can leave out the other regions anything brown half concentrate on brown because food basket any catch the minister na be kasa na half minister o say aduane ebuso am e de akwan no so anje o jama no so
and do you know something
yeah
say unim say when it come to cashew
I want the tina kasa but that's what the
na ukohwe expatriates your mo beto cashew
yeah the tea
no mo ba be export akọ enye revenue kitwa na enya for cashew na ye di bet to tom sa bedroom kran it's very bad and a situation no cry we also share boundary with our neighboring country Cote d'Ivoire. Do you know Sampa is the largest border town in this country?
Sampa.
I'm telling you, the largest border town in this country and one of the busiest. But se wudru wa nti obi free bontuku na obedru Sampa. No want me anto aso anko brekum, anko sunyan anko wanchi na osan na chi a. Impression a onya e wo Sampa no is the impression of create about Ghana.
So we need to pay attention
to our borders
because the biggest border
town in the country, and you know business activities
of course vibrant
because those days when it come to GRE for say omo allocations omo ye ema the various entry routes na tem bia ye Cedi target ba na say kwan ne nyanti no amanfo start a omo diverting yoma binum ni nam gonokrom ebinum ni nam other areas looking at it no kra no kai ho no shorter because ufa ha ubetimi link wanchi no akọ techiman no watu aso tamale na wukwa nti Burkina na wukwa na pese we use paga route you only pass through techiman you hit Tamale road and then you go hamile na pese wukwa udru wanchi a you take the route Bole Bamboy and then you go even so, you can even pass through Buidam and then leave Wenchi and eat enclaves and then you continue
okay so who German no samoma honorable they needed support it's important onye kwai mama ntata onye kwai obusa ho asem omrase bedwam or the nanantia won kran rewra ministries any minister road titu pese sa kwan ni ba ontimi nye kwan da idi uti ho a men betata ne say MP na anye kwan anya part of the responsibility no ba obetime gina pampe ya hye esi ehwese ya na kwan no ebetime akoso beyond a kwan ho asem dem na e challenge
oh say ade
employee sen so ate ho
ene dey wo form
okay a teacher for mo Kenya mo kama
oh me no kasa kra afi we me resources sese me nya ma yese teachers award district 1 me ama institute me nat for eguso ayedi nsawo so say ye dey be ebe motivate omo ye hwe omo aye outstanding na award omo most of female teachers e wo ho nyina many encrophobia engage a recess ayakoi ye beba somewhere around the 3rd week of October at least ye wo busume mienu bi no mo ho a eno ye mfa eni agro kranti ma say female teachers ni nyina obi me resource person na obechire omo kwan aye fa so ye pan no nku samina any pastries no at least omo so free adwuma ba so me adia ye bibi edi aka ho ene wa wo hwe ba bia ye nuanu ma pianpian ye di akodura
ne phone no
oh ona bonkene so nka na pinka sere wa ya di ka wa kamina nka me no nka e bibi na
so mo aneti akodu
omo sumi akodu yin
be Mpensenpensemu omo di akoduri e na wa hwe amanfo bobna wo man we mu akunchira dokuro yen na uji hu a enye you know very well
no we already confirm before
and then kan e bo ba bi akwakoduru ensi bo ba bi akwakoduru na me awre hu sem kura wom ni se me nu apan se ufri ha eko ya ye di mho a Land Cruiser na de kwa utumi eye somewhere 120 liters 120 liters no be 1900 uwura mu ye die mu ho a now we fill the same tank now. You are paying a lesser amount of 900 cedis to CFA. And to convert CFA no but CDA. You are paying 900 cedis. And to look at it, over 1,000 cedis. And that yeah for no so e wo ha. Asamba na me ka kire.
You want to create here.
Na ya enkrofo ya. Mpanyimfo ya.
As a result of
in the name of interest, a liter of fuel bia no has 11 different taxes that has imposed on the liter. And the cumulative no. Ye kambo mo ahunchire na di ba yenso. Because at this time a man for a bobna ye koba no. Just this week yeah, say asan atum by 5%.
If you also say something can be done about it.
Why not? Why not? Why not? Last time no musi omoye the austere measures no. There were some build up components in the pricing adina. Na at least eno na say yetumi ye bibi efa ho se wo hwe ni omoye ye na baby a ye kika ye di yensa kika ye no nyina we revenues a na enko government ni side what I say ebi ti say bust munim nkro no mo reduce it.
Yeah, it doesn't matter baby
sa person
na ye person ye tum
na ye person ye tum
atufu o mu cedis
and a person no look at the time am the person no etum person ne ochina person look at it. Those days here you susa ye betufu omo a ya na so mo biat
kwasi betwepe ne say twa
kwasi betwepe yes
mo na mosesa no mo so na mosesa
yes sade
mo a wo na mosesa
ene de bia na mosesa ntumu sa bra de wonim hwia
but you susura na ko ba bi
wo kwasi edra me to fuel no edi mi dru ane de avama nura so ni pa bra
wa tell you say you nyina dey too much of mind
mo kan say na mo de ba
na ye pia too say this
na say time na on kan this
there be forever end this on can say the ben wa
ye nyoma binum a ye di bae no where for intended reasons bia ye di bae no we have sunset clauses
what's the sunset clause for deregulation mo ye no the sunset clause
no deregulation so ntimi fa
na deregulation na deregulation na deregulation no are we following
we are not following it and
are we following the deregulation and then when you go to the world market what is the price of
no we are not
$93 $93
we are
but check it well.
Check it well.
When is on that matter?
And no, raising issue. It is deregulated. That's why I was raising issues with the marketers.
Okay, marketers.
Yes, that is deregulated. Until the outcome, you know, you are doing above them. It think I say above them, but above them here because it is deregulated. Because what you are swan come.
Enti ya best san no
I am not justified, but I'm just trying to put it in proper perspective.
Look at it. Say Ebonia, musi ye ne di bae.
Papa
ya musi mo ba be. Because no man mo inherit from ye bia ye papa no. Bia ne wa mo
obaye pa
say no man mo inherit ye papa.
Ye wona ma manage me kasa na be o man.
No man ye papa mo inherit from ye bia. But
you think that they're not better managers of the economy in this country?
But do you want President to tell myself and you that we are lazy this morning? We are not working, we are jobless? Because the moment you make that comment...
You are jobless.
We are NDC. But I believe, say, or mine no ye minu nyina ye mine. Ye ni baby ako. Ye na, ye de ya tre ye shemu a BBC a. Ye man fufuro be kan ye ho ba de bia me ka se nyame mpangu o ma gi gugura ye nya ba bia anko ye nuanum ko di wa ye ne omo ebo hye se wu ka se uwura ho akoye bibia ne obefa mu ansa na waduru o man no so no masa enya adekitoa enti ye ni ba bia akoni no eye me ni wa se de se ye hwese o man no ye be ye mamu adwo na ti mamofo e wo o man no obi a ho be den e be hinhan no enti menu say who bisa me say managers of the economy no omo proper managers proper managers say me no ti ha ene ye ka kire say ye dollar no ne ya chi e dia hyetuam ye chi hyetuam no ye san dia koma IGP mani dia two cells ya local cells no e di safwa no a hyebotum eno kura safwa ni IGP o ya san Jeffrey no e dia koto vice president office enti wa pese ubie sa apono no gise okọ vice president o ma kwan a ansa wa gisafo na ba police cells
ansa dollar no
ansa and then look at what we are seeing.
We are hitting for a lot of reasons.
What are the reasons?
No, don't run away from the reasons.
Self-inflicted reasons.
Self-inflicted.
I'm telling you. What are we doing? Many wina wo ha any of these slogans by say one district, one factory. Me de bia meka, me politics na me ye no. Baby I didn't ko year. Na me the credit ama. That was one of the best policies abanwe.
One district, one factory.
One factory say kodi ye adwuma anka be alleviate yen from any situation ye wo mu. But I think say the sloganeering no overtook the
real job.
The real job. Where are the factories? Because now your problem back when you say almost everything in this country, the consumables, you export it, you import it into this country. Actually, you import it. Emo, you import it. Oil, you import it. Your money do as say make a sa kuko ma. Why we are Mpensenpensemu for na mamomo anu aduane afro ma no. Because your t-shirts shares one no didi. Your ones use no didi. And the normal binum wa will not go into the detail. But what I'm telling you, they say, and then your consumables no be brain no. Your cra edi framanoni and eba. Burkina Faso tomatoes if you eba. And let's say CFA no. And Cedi unim sunsan so dollar nko ade na ehu aye kan.
The CFA so aboya hwefo.
Look at the major currencies. No? CFA, Aboy Hatchery for no crowd there can Hussein boat.
CFA, no?
That's not catch it. Check it.
No, we are not remember.
Who they check it?
No, remember. Some Democrat.
Enti ama pressure and about Cedi so. But na make say Mpensenpensemu John Drama ni Mahama ne na pamfo etna se hu say asikyire ya ade a ye say sika e wo ho wo man we mu. At least say ya nkasa ye bomodin e produce bi e wo ye man mu ha. Maybe ne ye be kra dia ba be kan no esubeti bebre. Eno be ma pressure wo ye dollar no so no Cedi ni so ayede akofom because who ko bi man so akokra e dia ba ana akoto dia ba. Ye nyi Cedi e wo ho. Gi se wu sisan Cedi no na dia ayede akofa. Just beginning of this year. Na Cedi ni nam somewhere 6.2 or so. And then I'm saying 10 cedis. Baby num kura benya 10 point something. Enti senka sa policy no ena ya nkasa ya my attention akoswa nyoma ni bebre ya nkasa ye produce e wo ha na kakra bi ne e bekra e dey free baby aba bekan e dey no me yiri senka ho be hin han ye enti say na America no the managers of this economy should revisit one district one factory no me ho baby a ya bobodin last me ko we din SBC ho nanso bibia ni ho
bodin na me che BBC originally constituency
German no check it se bi o ha
no me catch
because me cashew processing factory wo ho eye ni a Chinese for bi ABC ye John Dramani Mahama penso but o mo ba ya o mbesi factory no and me no wu ka say factory na ye white elephant a esi wo
bibia nkoso
yes because o mo problem ni say ye toto cashew ni wi a you have to crack it now crack it we nut ni wi a nut no wo ade cover bi e wo ho esese wuyi e no so ne coat no e free ho ansana yatimi aye but necessary omodi the state of the art equipment eba na just atumi aye sa ne oma ni nyina but omodi no we just ye die bia omototo no mo akrake nti ehia human intervention machine ni pipe ewia esese nipa de nsa ebe yi na ne no mo ye ne se uyi a ye ma paint rubber no sa old paint no aye di e kan dan ho ne use rubber no uyi sa wo de wonsa eyi ya unya full na 5 cedis but within a day no obia ne ho obetimi ayi sa rubber no mienu kra
gosh
and who say we juma na betra ho the whole day
oboka
na ye mark wa you are going home with 5 cedis bia nipa na oba no owafuo waja na fuo wa be spend time e wo ho e na ne yire ne mba e wo fie na wo kọ ya mark 5 cedis a day then now this asika no e be kwa akoye so virtually no na omunye nipa e ma omunye adwuma ne bio and one thing about the cashew they say once acid bi wom a very 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 corrosive and your mom di omunsa even who share gloves na wo de wonsa eyi a wo be wie na wonsa ho nyina ayekuro na sebio bibi a me kopa abafie manya bi na me san koso ayare e de abafie so edru baabi no na omunya human resource no omunya adwuma no bio me wa na omato ni omagu warehouse wo bebre e wo kwan no so ye ka enti nkrofo no they folded up and sold to another company no so em say they are also looking at the way on benya that state of the art equipment no mo di aba starting but that's a time on moto free Chinese for no basic ne enye operational
okay
and this is sad na esi wo no udi ukotwere bibi etare ho be ka say why one district one factory
I want to be atare ho
many meeting say the government met
the thing is not functioning. So if government has said
and make
anything will function.
Enye adwuma issue ni say
enye adwuma they all can.
Mamenka Indians be no motor identify Chinese for no. And the government they say omo nye partner like they are saying That's a mobile beginning. That's not what you told us. We knew you people were coming to build factories.
Where did you hear that? Then you don't read. Where did you hear that?
Who don't read?
Go and pick our manifesto. It's written there. That in collaboration with private sectors. Where did you read that?
That intervention was an afterthought.
How? The manifesto that we used for the election.
You've
done a very
district. Factory fresh.
What is You don't read.
Yes, this should be a.
What are the facts?
Hold on, Mebo. Yes, this should be a Benya factory. Did you read further? Say a partnership.
Can you imagine?
The
NBC former candidates liar.
Well, my education also
Kafra say.
Me kwa factory. Some must say one must see them I young farm on the private sector.
Did you explain to people?
With it.
NBC
who pay and I won't say
that.
You try one back. I said we say ETV and try one back.
Because I mean some of these
most of your text messages, but Honorable Ukru for also edge they appreciate your coming. So soon a year. I won't congratulate you a lot. But when the minister say, Unia na said Alfred Adom Unia, dear Sammy.
Minimum pa latte.
Okay. Okay, but I'm saying latte. Because see, dear, this is Alfred Adom Adjei, dear Sammy from latte. Okay. Obo abasu. Amanfo bebre Obo abasu, but menka. Mo abo abasu na no. Wati
ni nyina.
Wati ni nyina. Obu Ukro also appreciate you. Almost one ka kwan back bi wan sebo say the bike. E kwan be na make challenges on dey na okay.
Apart from town roads no. Yes, and wo Sampa Ginene Road.
Okay.
And there was Sampa Wenchi Road.
Okay.
And there was Sampa Sekwa Road.
Okay.
Ba kwan mi ensani na bia titiapansa.
Okay. Well, I know Miracle is the next MPP National Communications Director. I know now. Okay, you impose it on him. Okay. I'm going to my point. No, we say be na no to no I see. Okay, I can also hear you quickly enough.
I think Lanka. But I think say once a month we have more mutual commenter. We just have to correct some of the impressions now. Yakoye nim without.
Oh, the impression be.
I mean say o my dedika. Enye no krese. Dedika enye no krese. Factories in Iniho. In fact, what kind of manifesto 2016?
Reference to
reference to my area.
Yeah,
it is not existing.
Reference to no. But you're careful. One should have piano check.
Oh no.
Reference to no.
Maybe.
Okay, I might try meaning I'm saying. Or say, mobile. Or say mobile basis factory. Factory say where. Answer we a class or come example of an day. I don't mind. I say how form commission. It's my way. It's Ukraine say, yeah, but your manifesto, we share under trade and industry. Subsection F. You say one district, one factory initiative. Your manifesto, the idea campaign in here. So I just you say in collaboration with private sector. You need ankrakre. You need ankrakre. Ebekabum. The MPP will implement with the one district, one factory initiative. Yene ankra beka boom, near implementing one district, one factory initiative. This district industrialization program, sa infidie juma initiative ya yesi yedibe. Ebema it will ensure an even spatial spread of industries. Ebeboa na infidie juma afa bebia ewo on my way. Ye ba ye no, ye ndi Ghana for nyomo. Yene ankra kabum, ema me no ka say 278 of these factories there. Any ankra there. Ashasi out of that 125, 125 a year juma. In fact, sa 278 in Crampo no crane say. And yet 261 districts in no side. I can be out of the 278. Because me will say out of sa 278 me more me answer. So I say what it means is that other districts who are more 3 or more 4. Inti no crane what district the last time I checked. I think out of 261, still I would district bear 45. Almost a day, any uncommon there. But I no credit that. So be a better TV. So I can say, yes, one district, one factory. By the way, it is never true. It is unfair, not only to the government, but even to the people of Ghana. We are committed to this cause. how much money a private sector is pushing into this initiative. And crack the music or the musical schedule. Some of them they have no reason to invest. Or better to be discounted at the forefront. So I just say, and now treasury bills near their costume, go better to the secret control treasury bills. But what jet to me say, or the BM for the Juma, the Ghana for Benya Jumaye. I'm a Ghana for a and so called Mimi Chroma, a friend and shoe fabric, 150 young people, almost palm shoe. A bina Michel. So I just say, almost a yellow top, and a black way, and a boots. And can you fight you and come over here? So I just say, call Pram Nakwahe. Call northern part of the country, Nakwahe. A bimu yet tomato paste near there. What can say? Ebia yenyam piki industries in take time obisi factory kra ebia we see factory be to me produce in Nakabe 100 or start here or be start from 10 20 30 eyen kakran enti say start ade we 16 years ago ankoma nke ewi o nke starting 16 years ago eya mo ya mo say comparison eya comparison na me between me and this you but NDC ni na eka
as on mine.
And I say NDC ni na eka say also say ya no or the next point me say omo buy omo say no nti me yi na no ayi anu yi ne say mo buy no 1993 kra de mo buy na oman na kasa call factories o no oman na kasa o factories mo call parliament e call pass mra say parliament ye shemra say aban fidie adwuma na we sisi no ye aban ye pese ye ton omo ton close to 300 factories 300 state-owned factories. Nanka di ananado ni MPP abayi omo ni ankura yi. Ye ni eba 93 anka. Nka sa 300 factories no. Ye the 1000 akama ma na ye 1300.
Na ma 2000.
Moko passe mra wo. Moko passe mra factories no. Mako 300. Abayi papa bayi na betumi akwase me dem hye ton abayi japade. Oman enti se wonim se sa na wo ye ya. Jai na oman mu misa yourself factories ni we.
Ma wona bon rapport.
Enye wo na oba bi me di si echi no wadaroma. Ene de se binim se be ye den. Nti na ye me de manu si no wadaroma. No crane say in the last 1 month or say 2 months. Yeah. Actually fuel confirmed 3 times. Actually fuel confirmed 3 times.
And what's the impact?
Oh, now you see, omo tse so. Adem fuel na yatoso from almost 80 to 30 cities. E so boom na koye. Eya 1 person dey koye. Nti yatoso 1 person 6 person see impact. Yatoso 1 person dey obe count in so. Na yatoso 1 person dey see impact. Ye njai sa. Na rather no, ye nyina ye mpa kwan ye be for so a collectively no, ye be contribute towards coming out of this challenge. Me say and I continue to say, eye na nka challenge ye wo mu no, eye Ghana han ko na nka ye wo sa challenge na. O man ka me kwa me metra TV so. Na mo ko America, uko UK, uko Germany, uko Indonesia. And I was reading say Indonesia, is it Norway? Almost about $174 billion. And almost lose. When we say Norway, you're one of the countries. Or mine kasa or investment outside the country. Yeah, for the last time I checked here, see chess can be the four. They have lost close to $174 billion as a result of the dip in their stocks on the global market. And see, there is a global challenge. As I say, in dealing with this, in dealing with this, the propaganda, the untruth, the lies will not help. It will rather deepen the woes. And when you do that, they are not.
Master Planner Junior Kentampo say, we have 12 factories in Bruno, 11 in Bruno East, 6 in Ahafo. Some are completed and others are in various stages of completion.
It is all over the country.
Honorable should commend the government because in their time,
they sold it.
Our factory was not established in the Bronga.
They sold it.
Oh, Papa.
Yeah. I'm saying, I know na me maka me say me two mra na ma kyeresi. Say bi obi a suneti ho a nsuo na eto anabo na free soro ba obi ade ne nsa ekata neti. Me dey me mpeso aso me represent me nkrofo.
Any kind of say,
and it is everywhere. Yeah, factories here who can say ye buy is ye share biasia and kanya no woman. Look at Commander Sugar Factory. One of the laudable projects.
Who should be answering to that?
Ye Ramahama at buy. No. You inherited it.
Yeah, sugar.
Sugar. What are you saying? And American say nyoma binum wo awa hu eto da bia amanyosem no obiara ye but ye ma o man no interest no ehia yen kese anything me there be a make catch be bia aban we abo modern wo nyoma bi hu na bia ehun nsem na ye discuss ya me applaud that ban say why ade ba be bia sinton wo no ye ma ban no wa wo ye challenge aye wo sisi a say Cedi hu nsem any dollar Cedi na perform me ma hu say aban oti akonwa so onye prepared say nyoma edisa ahu kire na ba no obe admit it. Because the problem was not the very cause of the problem. No, why admit it? Say, I dare win a dimi akotibia we more. It will be difficult to get. It will be difficult for you to solve it. And then your man in the matter. Say, what is the cost of the high dollar? This are where me you are not the can be. Busi 3 dia mo aje. And about dollar. And about dollar. Busi 3 dia mo aje. And about dollar. Me say me exchange rate. Na say me catch them say. Yeah, catch them say. No. Can you imagine? Among some of the reasons, was taking everyone. Nano ya